When you travel a land that is so large, so expansive, you soon realize just how overwhelming it becomes to all your senses. But as a videographer, you soon realize also that there is no way that you can do justification to show just how great this place really is. Welcome back to Canyonlands National Park. Hey guys, what's going on, and welcome back to the channel. As we mentioned just a second ago, this place is so vast and so large that it really was hard to do it justice, which is why honestly I broke it down into like a 3-part series. I did not want to cut out so much stuff in here just so that I could show you one 18-minute video, because it really would not do it justice and I felt it was wrong. Canyonlands National Park is, guys, it's 527 square miles. Now, to convert that a little bit for you, that is 337,280 acres. Unbelievable. If you have ever been to Windrock in Tennessee, that is about 77,000 acres, guys. So, anyways, the vastness of it is just overwhelming, and I really wanted to try to do it justice, just to show you guys how great it really is. And I still cut a lot out. I deeply apologize for that. I really think you should add it to your bucket list to visit Canyonlands National Park someday. Anyway, we are going to be finishing up our little mini series here on the Elephant Hill Trail. We are making our way back out now, and we are going to start our climb back up the very famous switchbacks. So we're going to try to give you a unique perspective here. We're coming back out of Elephant Hill. You go in and you make a loop, and then you come back out on part of the same track that you entered, which is the switchbacks. Part of the switchbacks, you drive down, and then you back down, you drive down. So we're going back up it now. So we are going to be going backwards up some of the switchbacks. So we're going to try to give you a little bit different perspective of what that looks like. Now, I failed here just a little bit, not in doing the trail, but I wasn't paying attention to some information that I wanted to share, which is total elevation change. Now, I'm not a really good guesser at this, but you see that road way down there in the bottom. So I'm going to estimate, guys, it just does not look steep on camera. It just runs it. But realistically, we probably did, I'm going to guess probably anywhere between 600 to 700 foot of elevation change by the time we went in and out. I've actually heard that this makes it a lot easier, honestly, on Black Bear Pass. If you ever go to Black Bear Pass in Colorado, a lot of people say to do the same thing. Don't try to make all the multi-point turns. Just go and back and go and back.
Straight back.
I need to turn a little bit. The butt needs to go that way. So.
Yeah. Go ahead and turn.
So as you can see, I don't really think it shows on camera just how steep some of those inclines are. And of course we're coming back out the same way that we went in. So again, when we went in, trust me, I mean the inclines are pretty steep, guys, but we've made it up here on top of the plateau, so to speak. I believe kind of this is part of like Islands in the Sky district, as one of the 4 districts here. But you got to always remember, there is a tried and true proven science that unfortunately what goes up must go down also. So we're going to make our way over to the other side here, and we will start our descent back into the other side of the park here where the trailhead is.
Want me to go all the way down, or does she want me to stop here? Because I'm almost all the way down.
She did not say.
You're still good.
Okay, I know I'm fixing to put my foot in my mouth and all the haters and the beatdowners are coming, but hear me out, okay? Elephant Hill Trail is only opened to licensed and registered on-highway vehicles, okay? So if you have an off-road vehicle, even though it's licensed to drive on the street or whatever, it is not allowed out here in the park. So there are no side-by-sides, UTVs, ATVs, dirt bikes, bouncers, rock bouncers, buggies. And hear me out, guys. I want a rock bouncer. I would love to have a buggy so bad. But anyways, licensed and legal street vehicles only. So even though your UTV or side-by-side has a license plate and you can run around on some of the highways out there, that's not a legal on-road vehicle. That is strictly local standards. So honestly, I just don't think there's enough respect in that community not to be Billy Badass and come out here and try to jump up and down every single ledge or rock obstacle. And I'm just afraid at the end of the day that it would take away from the natural beauty and just tear up the landscape. I mean this respectfully. I mean no disrespect against any of that group, but I'm just really happy that they do it the way that they do it.
Over. How do you feel?
I'm wore out, actually.
I know.
I mean, I wouldn't say it's not like the obstacles are not like hard, but it is a physically demanding trail.
It really
so
is.
long.
Yeah.
Hours. I'm gonna go ahead and give it 2 thumbs up.
Yeah.
Hey guys, well that is it for us. Elephant Hill and Canyonlands National Park. Absolutely amazing trail. It is a Jeep Badge of Honor trail. We may have mentioned that earlier. Thank you. These fine folks pulled over to let us out. It's a very narrow road to get in and out of here. But anyway, Elephant Hill, awesome trail. You can expect to spend all day. There is so much stuff to see in there that you just can't help but stop and ooh and ah, and just beautiful. And the overlook on the river where the confluence of it's the Colorado River and the Green River where they come together. Canyonlands is absolutely amazingly beautiful, and Elephant Hill was a super awesome trail. So we will see you guys next time as we continue our Moab Utah adventures here. And thanks for watching, guys. And if you wouldn't mind, could you hit that little subscribe button down there? It really helps us try to figure out that crazy algorithm called YouTube.
So AJ's over here being my model. Although he misunderstood the assignment because I was wondering if he wanted me to take a picture of his Jeep with the sign. Oh, it's all good. I know you're just practicing. Thursday night's coming up. You know, I got you.
I'll be right back.
Next time on A Long, Long Way to Go.
No, like, you know, just the same as...
There you go.
You guys are all ridiculous.
And then above it, somebody was putting one of them crazy things, helmets on him that has electricity going.